गरीब साध साध सब नेक हैं, आप अपनी ठोरी। जो सतलोक ले जाएंगे वो साधु कोई और।
Virtuous souls, 600 years ago from today, God had narrated this knowledge which today this servant is showing from the scriptures. Gita Ji is considered to be a respected and good scripture within Hindu society, and it is. But what has been written inside it, we do not know till today. God Kabir Ji told 600 years ago because he is God. Now look, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, published by Gita Press, Gorakhpur. Jay Dayal Goenka is its translator. This is chapter 7. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Look here in the 12th verse. It has been written in this that the emotions arising from Satogun and those arising from Rajogun and Tamogun consider all that is happening due to me, but neither am I in them nor are they in me. What is Rajogun, Satogun, Tamogun? This concept needs to be cleared. Rajogun Brahma Ji, Satogun Vishnu Ji, Tamogun Shiv Ji. Look, Markandeya Puran, we start from here. It has been published by Gita Press Gorakhpur, Sachitra bold type, published by Gita Press Gorakhpur. The publisher and printer are Gita Press Gorakhpur, Govind Bhavan Office, Institute of Kolkata, New Delhi. These are their facts and phone numbers. Look on page number 123. First we will start from 122. Look, Markandeya Ji said, Saint. Now we will read 123. In this way, there are three states of God. Rajoguna dominated Brahma, Tamoguna dominated Rudra, Sattva dominated the preserver of the world is Vishnu. These are the three gods and these are the three gunas. It has become clear whether to call Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh or three gods, Rajoguna Brahma, Satguna Vishnu, Tamoguna Shankar. These are the three gods and three gunas. This concept cannot be cleared better anywhere than this. Still, I will show more. Now he says that whatever is happening from these three gunas, I am the reason. Kal is saying, who is giving the knowledge of Gita? Kal is speaking while entering Shri Krishna. And he is saying that whatever is happening, the origin from Rajguna Brahmaji, that is, by the effect of the injection of this Rajgun, we give birth to children, then we desire facilities. This is due to the pressure of Rajogun Brahmaji, and then love and affection. We are stuck emotionally with each other. This is not in control of the creature. Then the destruction from Tamogun, that is Shivji, all three says that I am the main reason of it. This is happening because of me. He's cursed to eat 1 lakh human beings daily. He says that I am the root cause of all three. But I am different to them. He secretly resides at the extreme end of one of the 21st universe in a secret place. For that, see Shiv Puran, concise Shiv Puran. This has been published by Gita Press Gorakhpur. The translator is Hanuman Prasad Poddar. It has been published and printed by Gita Press Gorakhpur. I will show you. On its 110th page, Rudra Samhita, concise Shiv Puran, page 110, and the 9th chapter ends at its last. In this way, Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra, these three gods have qualities or powers. Rajguna Brahma, Satguna Vishnu, Tamguna Shivji, this Shankar. But Shiva is considered to be beyond gunas. He is separate from them, Gunatit. He is different from them. This is call Sadashiv, call him Mahashiv, call him Kal. Call Kal from Brahma. He is separate. Srimad Devi Bhagavad, let us clear more concepts. This is along with Sanskrit and has been printed from Shri Krishna Das Venkateshwara Press, Bombay. Look, this is Srimad Devi Bhagavat. This is Ath Srimad Devi Bhagavatam Sabhashtikam Sahbatyam. Khemraj Shri Krishna Das publication, Bombay 4. It has been published from here. In this, Sanskrit is also included. Let's see its third skand. Ath Srimad Devi Bhagavatam Sabhasha Tikayute, third skand Prarambhte. We come to its 11th number page of chapter 5. This is page number 11. We will read chapter 5, verse 8. Sanskrit is also included in this. The matter is clear in this. If someone has any doubt, this is 8th verse of the 5th chapter. O Mother, if you are always merciful on us, Lord Shankar is saying, then why did you make me Tamogun, Brahma, Rajogun, and how did you equip Hari with Sattva Gun? Why have you made it? Now here we will see 8th also. We will see Sanskrit. Because this is Devanagari script. The 7th ends and the 8th starts from here. Yadi daya dharmana na sadambike katham eh vihitacha. Lord Shankar says that if you are kind to us, then why have you engaged us in such useless misdeeds? And why did you equip each of us with one quality that is not controlled by us? Katham eh vihitacha. Why did you made me tamogun and kamalashcha? Why did you make Brahmaji born from the lotus into Rajogun Sambhav? Why did you make Suvitha Kimu Sattvogun Harihi? Why did you make Vishnu Ji Satogun? Now it is final. Now we will be able to understand these code words of holy book Gita Ji, and only a teacher can tell the code words students cannot understand. Our teachers, whom we considered as scholars, knew Sanskrit language, were devoid of spiritual knowledge. They were having cataracts of ignorance. Let me show you now. What do the same scriptures want to tell us? This is the same Srimad Bhagavad Gita that I showed you. Let us read 12th verse of chapter 7th again. This is the 12th verse. Whatever emotions are arising out of Sattva Gun and the emotions arising out of Rajogun and Tamogun, consider all of them to be happening because of me only, but neither am I in them nor are they in me. Look ahead what has been said in the 13th. As a result of these three gunas, Sattvic, Rajas and Tamas, with the effect of these three types of qualities, this whole world is being captivated. Beyond these three qualities, Rajguna Brahma, Satguna Vishnu, Tamguna Shiv, beyond them, they do not know me, the imperishable. Kal says that above Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, they do not know me. The whole world is limited to them. Now what has been said in the 14th verse, because this supernatural, that is very extraordinary Trigunamayi Maya of mine, the trap spread by Rajguna Brahma, Satguna Vishnu, Tamguna Shiv is very dangerous, is endangering those who always only worship me win over this Maya, that is, who worship Brahma, rise above the three gunas, they rise above them, get more benefits. They get more benefits than Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, means go to great heaven, Mahaswarg. This is its meaning. See, this is the 15th verse of the 7th chapter of Gita Ji. Here, wonder has been done. Those whose intelligence has been stolen away by Maya, illusion, they are not ready to consider anyone ahead of Triguna Maya, Rajoguna Brahma, Satguna Vishnu and Tamoguna Shiv. Their intellect has been close to them only. Those whose mind has been stolen away by them by Rajoguna Brahma, Satguna Vishnu, Tamoguna Shiv Ji, and do not worship anyone beyond them, about them, it has been said that such individuals have demonic nature, are lowest among men, Naradhma, evildoers, fools. The evildoers, foolish people do not even worship me. Simple meaning is that this is something to be worshipped. They worship Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. The knowledge giver of Gita says that they do not even worship me because Kal is speaking. Let us read again the 15th verse of 7th chapter. It is said that those whose intelligence has been stolen away by Maya, Triguni Maya, Rajguna Brahma, Satguna Vishnu, Tamguna Shivji, whose wisdom has been closed, they do not listen to anyone at all. Equipped with demonic nature, lowest among men. Evildoers, foolish people, do not even worship me. Virtuous souls, these are the code words, which are indicative words. Only a teacher tells the students after understanding them. What is the meaning of this? Those who worship Rajguna Brahma, Satguna Vishnu, Tamguna Shivji, it has been written in Gita Ji, they have demonic nature, are evildoers, fools, equipped with demonic nature, lowest amongst men, evildoers, foolish. The knowledge giver of Gita means Brahma says that they do not even worship me.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन। अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org। संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है। अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541।